in your hands and you try it out, you'll really appreciate all the work that went into this thing. It's really nice to use. And like, as far as popping a quarter in here, like, you don't even have to squeeze the handle. It holds it very firmly, very tightly, with no pressure at all. So that's, I mean, you can't really beat that. It's perfect. Really, really nice. So yeah, if anybody wants one, you can also Google Deburring Buddy and order through there as well. You can. I've I've done enough work to where I'm probably the first or second result on Google for Deburring Buddy. So give that a shot. If anybody has any questions, feel free to ask. If you'd like a state quarter coin ring, tap the little shopping bag down here. I've got them in all 50 states in copper and 90% silver. So if you think this version looks professional, let me actually pull out like the latest design of it, because I'm really proud of it. Where did I put them? There we go. This is the last color combination I did. This is gold and black. And man, it looks freaking fresh. I really, really like it. I've got, like I said, a lot of different color options on this website right here, if you guys want to check that out. I'll be working on the $50 version here pretty soon. Yeah, I like it a lot. So let's use it. We're going to use our Deburring Buddy to clean up the inside edge here. There's a bit of raised metal on the inside of coin rings, that little lip right there. We're going to cut that away now. And that's what this tool's for, is to get your dang hands out of the way. So before, you'd have to hold it with your fingers, and that can be a little touch and go. So what this tool does is it holds the ring for you. It's perfectly designed for quarter coin rings with a 1/2-inch punch. It fits rings from size 4 all the way up to size 10, and it's pretty handy. And look at that hold with like very little pressure. The ring isn't spinning around or skipping. It's like a glove. It fits in there just perfectly. It does exactly what it's supposed to do. But yeah, if anybody has any questions about coin rings, you're looking for a specific year, type of coin, something like that, specific ring size, let me know. I can help you narrow down what you're looking for. We've got a lot of options for coin rings. The ones we're showing off today are specifically state quarter coin rings. And I've got those available in all 50 states in copper and 90% silver. It's illegal to deface money. It's illegal to fraudulently alter currency, but that's not what I do. I make coins into rings. It's very similar legally to like a penny smashing machine. If you've ever used one of those at Six Flags, SeaWorld, museums, national parks, they're all over the United States, and they have been since, I believe, like the late 70s. Been around a long time. I don't know, let's do a quick poll. Do like a person raising their hand emoji if you've ever smashed a penny in a penny smashing machine. Got a thumbs up. So I know I've done my fair share of them. No, man, I've done my legal research. If you really want to like take a deep dive into the laws of making jewelry into coins, I've got a blog post here. Coin ring maker. Go there. There's a button on there that says, is it illegal to make jewelry out of coins? That blog post was co-written by a lawyer, and we literally dive into every law that has anything to do with coins. And yeah, it's a good 5-minute read if you want to check that out. But yeah, I've been doing this for 5 years, man. If it was illegal, they would have caught me by now. Especially doing it live here on TikTok. That looks a lot better, doesn't it? And the next thing we need to do is remove this raised lip of metal right here underneath $quarter. So we're going to grab our Deburring Buddy, pop our quarter in there, and debur it some. Very nice. Again, if you guys have any questions, feel free to put them in the chat. And if you'd like to get one of these, I've got them available in all 50 states in copper and 90% silver. Just tap a little shopping bag, pick which type of metal you prefer, pick your state and size, place your order, and I'll get to work on it. Thanks for watching. What's your size, Matthew? What a cool name. Matt Power. I love that. That's cool. $17. Okay, so for size 17, you'll need to go to the website link on my TikTok profile. It says buycoinrings.com. So yeah, just go to my profile, tap on that link, and at the very top of the page, there's a button that says filtered search. Just go to ring sizes, select size 17, and it'll pull up all the rings I can make in that size for you. Absolutely. Yeah, I'm not getting a quarter to size 17 though, dude. Not on my best day. That's crazy. This is my new tool. This is called the Deburring Buddy. It holds quarter coin rings from size 10 all the way down to size 4. And it's really, really easy to use. You basically just pop your quarter right in there, and it holds it for you while you deburr the inside edge. These are available right now here, or you can just Google Deburring Buddy and it should come up. I've got them in a variety of different colors. Go get you one. Yeah. Tell your friends. These are like brand new this week. I just released them. So go get you one. Thank you. Some people say I'm out here just destroying stuff, so I appreciate the compliment. Thank you. Yeah, if you go, I think it's Kelsey Co. If you go to the website link on my TikTok profile, at the very top of that page, there'll be a button for the Deburring Buddy that'll take you right to the listing. So it'll be easier to find. There's just a button right at the top of the website for this now. So yeah, go get you one. I'd be happy to send one your way. They're super handy. I'm really proud of it. Do I ever sell STL file? I'd rather not. You know, nothing personal, but like I put a lot of work into that specific tool. I'd like to hang on to the STL for it. So, the Deburring Buddy. It's $35. Yeah. Bad boy right here is 35 bucks. Worth every penny. And this Arkansas quarter is coming along really nicely. Just slowly cleaning it up here with some steel wool. But there's that cattail. Arkansas. Some nice bird feathers, some duck feathers. Not sure what kind of duck it is. They are really pretty. Feathers right on the edge of the ring there. And on the inside here it says $quarter. United States of America. Very nice. Mallard. Thank you. And it's a little under a size 10. So we'll hop over here. Stretch it out just a bit. I thought I had nailed it. Ah, perfect. Okay. There we go. Right at a size 10. Fantastic. Yeah, that looks really good. And this will get a bit more of a polish before I do send it out, so it'll be nice and shiny once it gets to you. I'm a big stickler for making my rings as shiny as possible. So, thank you again for your order. I really appreciate it. If anybody else would like one of these, tap a little shopping bag down here and get you one. Yeah, thank you again. My pleasure. So let's see here. We've made 3 different quarter coin rings on this live. I'm going to take a short coffee break. So if you guys want to hit the follow button, catch me next time I go live. And thanks for watching. I'll be back in just a little bit. Peace.